Imagine you're in Tokyo, you're in between cities or hotels, and you have to take your baggage around with you wherever you go. It can be a complete nightmare. So here are a few tips and hints to help you find storage for your luggage when you're in Tokyo. There are a lot of coin lockers in Tokyo Station in a variety of sizes. There are some that are even big enough to fit a whole suitcase and even more. The largest is 112 by 34 by 66 centimeters.
Wow.
Tokyo and Shinjuku stations have the most coin lockers. If they're full, there's usually some more nearby. Tokyo Station even has this handy coin locker map. And here's a handy tip. Take a photo of a nearby station exit sign to help you find your way back to your coin locker. If your luggage is too big, then you do have some more luggage storage options. At the larger stations and even the Skytree, there are luggage storage counters. This is JR East Travel Service Center in Tokyo Station, the perfect place to leave your luggage so you can go out and explore freely. There's also a handy app to use. With Ecbo Cloak, you can make a reservation to store your luggage at the post office, karaoke, shops, restaurants, and even salons.
Did you notice Ecbo Cloak earlier? You can also use Ecbo Cloak at the JR East Travel Service Center. Okay, so we're going to use Ecbo Cloak to find somewhere to store our luggage. And you can use this app in Japanese, English, Korean, and Chinese. Okay, so the GPS has found our location already. Next, enter the dates, time, and the pieces of luggage to store. Then choose a location. Ah, Tsutaya. That's right near the station. Let's check out the reviews. Oh great, 5 stars. Okay, proceed to the confirmation screen. And reserve. Nice. Show the staff your Ecbo Cloak app or reservation email. The staff will then check in your luggage by taking a photo, and then it's done. It's that simple. Three great options for you there. But if you have any questions or tips of your own, head to lifeplus.com or any of our social media and help out your fellow Nippon travelers. And a big thank you to our sponsor Nomi Japan, $2 Japanese goods in Singapore. Kyotsukete Nippon travelers.